Bitcoin breaks all record surges beyond $125,000 as global markets shift world's most famous cryptocurrency. Bitcoin has once again shattered records soaring past $125,000 for the first time in history. According to Reuters, Bitcoin climbed nearly 2.7% on Saturday, reaching a new all-time high of $125,245.57, surpassing its previous record of $124,480 set in mid-August 2025. But behind this explosive rally lies a story far deeper than just numbers on a screen. A turning point in global finance. Bitcoin's remarkable rise is not merely a financial event, it is a symbol of shifting global trust. As confidence in traditional banking and government-backed currencies weakens, investors around the world are turning to decentralized assets like Bitcoin. This new high comes amid pro-crypto regulatory reforms under the Trump administration, which have created a more welcoming environment for digital currencies in the United States. These policies have encouraged institutional investors, including hedge funds and asset managers, to pour billions into Bitcoin and related ETFs. Dollar weakness and market dynamics. The driving factor is the weakening US dollar. As inflation fears resurface and central banks struggle to stabilize currencies, Bitcoin has once again become the preferred hedge, a digital gold for uncertain times. At the same time, the global stock market, particularly the S&P 500, has remained strong, fueling additional investor confidence in risk assets. The growth of Bitcoin ETFs has further legitimized the cryptocurrency market, allowing both retail and institutional investors easy access to crypto exposure without directly holding digital wallets. What makes this moment different? Unlike past bull runs driven mainly by hype, today's Bitcoin rally is backed by institutional maturity and structural integration. Major payment companies now accept Bitcoin. Governments are drafting frameworks to regulate, not ban crypto. And most importantly, Bitcoin's narrative has shifted from speculation to store of value. The $125,000 milestone isn't just a number, it's a psychological barrier that signals Bitcoin's evolution from a digital experiment to a global financial asset. The road ahead. Despite the celebration, volatility remains the heart of Bitcoin's nature. Analysts warn that profit-taking or sudden policy shifts could trigger short-term corrections. Yet, the broader trend appears unstoppable. The era of digital finance is no longer a prediction, it's reality. For investors and observers alike, Bitcoin's rise above $125,000 is more than a financial victory, it's a declaration of independence from traditional economic systems. The question now is not if Bitcoin will reshape global finance, but how soon. In short, Bitcoin's surge above $125,000 marks a historic turning point, one driven by weakened trust in fiat currencies, bold regulatory reform, and the unstoppable momentum of digital innovation.